Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel in which we dive into a fascinating world of home gardening and learn why it is so important for people, communities and the environment as a whole. In this video, we shall look at many reasons why home gardening has become a popular around the world and why it's such an important part of our daily lives. Number 1. Enhancing food security. People who garden at home can grow their own fresh, organic food, which makes them less reliant on mass produced food that is often treated with chemicals. By growing fruits, veggies, and herbs in our own backyards, we have more control over what we eat. This gives us and our families a healthier and more sustainable way to eat. Home gardening improves food security by making people less vulnerable to problems in the global food supply chain. It also gives people the tools they need to become more self sufficient. Number 2. Environmental benefits. Keeping green places in urban areas is important if we want to fight environmental problems like air pollution and climate change. Home gardening helps make the world better and cleaner place. Plants clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide and giving off oxygen. By having plants in our homes, we can increase the amount of oxygen in the air and make it better for us to breathe. Also, home gardeners provide homes for helpful insects, birds, and other animals. This increase biodiversity and make our streets into mini ecosystems. Number 3. Physical and mental well-being. Home gardening is a food for the environment and for our own health. Gardening is a physical exercise that helps us stay fit, stay active, and burn calories. It lets you connect with nature and get away from the worries of everyday life. When you care for plants and watch them grow, you feel like you have done something good, satisfied, and happy. Home gardening has also been linked to a decrease in anxiety, sadness, and stress symptoms, which is good for your mental health. Number 4. Educational and skill development. Home gardening is a great way for people of all ages to learn new things and improve their skills. It's a great way for kids to learn where their food comes from and create a sense of responsibility for nature. When we learn to change different plant needs and deal with problems like pests, diseases, and bad weather, we develop our curiosity, creativity, and ability to solve problems. It also makes people care more about environment and pushes them to do things that are good for planet. Number 5. Community building and social connection. Communities can come together through home gardens. It gives individuals a common goal and place where they can connect, work together, and share what they know. Community gardens where people get together to grow shared green area help people meet new people and feel like they belong. Through gardening clubs, workshops, and events, people can share their experiences, tips, and resources. This helps people get to know each other better and gives them a feeling of pride in their community. Thank you for your support and stay tuned to our channel for more exciting content in future. Thank you for watching.